What if I told you there is a tiny stock listed on Nasdaq valued at less than $30 million that is not only set for revenue of over $400 million this year, but it's also aiming towards revenue of $1 billion per year by 2027. This stock only listed on Nasdaq in Q2 this year and is flying under the radar of most investors, but analysts are beginning to wake up to this one. In today's video, I will be talking about IQSTEL, ticker symbol IQST. Now we've got a lot to get through in this video, so I will try to keep this intro short, but if you find any value in this, can I ask you to smash the like button? It takes a lot of time to make these videos, but it literally takes 2 seconds and costs nothing to smash the like button, and it helps the channel out so much. I'm aiming to get 500 likes on this video. Help me hit that goal. Subscribe to the channel if you're new and hit the bell notification so you don't miss out on any new content like this. I want to point out that I'm not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice, so always do your own due diligence. Now let's get into it. IQSTEL is a US-based multinational technology company providing advanced solutions across telecom, high-tech telecom services, fintech, AI-powered telecom platforms, and cybersecurity. They offer leading-edge telecommunications and technology services, and they're strategically optimized a high-growth portfolio of innovative technology companies operating across a diverse market worldwide. The company's vision is to become a $1 billion revenue multinational technology company by 2027, with the investment goal to fuel potential by empowering technology that generates substantial long-term value for shareholders and customers. IQSTEL has a global footprint, with operations providing access to diverse and high-growth markets, mitigating risk and, as it says here, maximizing investment opportunities while enabling us to leverage local market knowledge with a global perspective. And this is a truly global perspective, with 6 offices around the world operating on 4 continents, serving more than 20 countries with over 100 employees. And they have partnered with some of the world's leading companies too, which I will talk about in a moment. This company has a clear path to success with strong revenue growth, moving them closer to the goal of becoming a $1 billion revenue company. But I've followed IQSTEL over the past few years, and this company really is growing their revenue year after year, but the share price hasn't reflected their revenue growth. Let's take a look at the investor's presentation. Now, we've already seen that this is a global company, and that they plan to become a $1 billion revenue company within the next 2 years. But IQSTEL have evolved from high-tech telecom infrastructure roots into a dynamic technology conglomerate with several subsidiaries spread across their 3 main business focuses: telecom, fintech, and intelligence. This diversification has been fueled by a combination of targeted acquisitions and organic growth, allowing the company to expand their market presence and create more exciting opportunities. They have been growing quarter after quarter, year after year, and the revenue per share has increased from $30 per share in 2020 all the way up to $111 by 2024. To date, IQSTEL has completed 11 acquisitions and ventures and continues to develop an active pipeline of potential future acquisitions. And we can see this here over the past 7 years. They have developed cross-selling opportunities to optimize cost and operational efficiencies, which has seen an incredible growth trajectory over the past few years, ultimately leading to them achieving $282 million in revenue last year. But IQSTEL counts some of the world's largest companies among its customers, such as Verizon, Vodafone, T-Mobile, and Orange in the UK. This is an impressive list of customers for a small microcap company, but it's the company's vision that's most impressive. By the end of 2025, IQSTEL is committed to debt reduction, cost efficiencies, and strategic acquisitions, targeting the $400 million revenue run rate. And this is incredibly important. Back in 2021, IQSTEL grew their market cap to over $137 million on just $64 million of revenue while being an OTC company. And this is important because there is now a huge disparity between revenue and company valuation, because today's revenue has grown to over 4 times this at $283 million. And the company is no longer an OTC company, now it's a Nasdaq listed company. Just this week, IQSTEL have announced that their AI subsidiary, Realty Border, has completed phase 1 of its joint program with Cycurion to deliver a new generation of AI-enhanced cybersecurity. with Leandro Iglesias, president of IQSTEL, stating that our customers can now deploy AI agents with confidence by pairing an MCP layer with Cycurion's advanced platform ARX deception-driven multi-layer inspection, as we are moving from reactive defense to proactive threat hunting at the edge of our AI experiences. And this is what Phase 1 delivers. MCP interface for Airweb and IQ2 call, standardized, secure context tooling layer for AI agent workflows operating in detect and protect modes. ARX reverse proxy shielding to hide IPs and divert adversaries, dynamic threat intelligence, and a 4-layer ARX defense with geogating, WAF and API security, proprietary bot hunter, and AI-powered behavioral analysis. So why does this matter? Static defenses struggle against fast-moving automated adversaries. ARX's preemptive, deception-driven approach halts threats before impact, while MCP turns Airweb and IQ2 call into well-governed, least privileged clients of enterprise systems, reducing risk without sacrificing speed. But importantly, this is only the beginning. IQSTEL and Cycurion are aiming to build a powerful AI-enhanced cybersecurity ecosystem, and the next phase will go beyond defense, delivering solutions where AI takes the lead in cyber protection, predicting, adopting, and neutralizing threats before they emerge. Now, the global cybersecurity market is expected to surpass $500 billion in the next 5 years, which means there is going to be more emphasis than ever on cybersecurity due to the escalating cyber threats. But this is not the only great news from the company recently. Because on October 9th, IQSTEL announced that they have now become a debt-free NASDAQ company with no convertible notes or warrants, and plans to give $500,000 in share as a dividend by the end of the year. They have eliminated all convertible notes and fully paid for its most recent acquisitions, QXTEL and Globetopper, and the company now stands out with $17 in assets per share and a clean capital structure with zero convertible debt and no warrants. With Leandro Iglesias stating that this is a defining moment for IQSTEL, the company is stronger, cleaner, and better positioned than ever to execute our growth strategy and deliver consistent value to shareholders. But importantly, IQSTEL's roadmap remains on track with a goal to achieve $15 million EBITDA run rate in 2025 and a $1 billion revenue run rate by 2027. So straight away, a $15 million EBITDA for this year would be fantastic when you consider that the stock has dropped to such a low market cap right now. But what do analysts think of IQST stock? Looking at MarketBeat, we can see that there is 2 Wall Street analysts rating this stock. One has issued a sell rating, while the other has issued a buy rating and set an $18 price target. This is the actual research paper that Hills have produced on IQST. This is 19 pages long, so I won't be looking into this in detail. There is a link to this in the description if anyone wants to read it. But down here on page 13 of the report, the stock currently trades at a multiple of 5.7 times telecom competitors trade at an average of 9.2, implying a valuation of $18 per share. But at the 10.5 average multiple of close competitors IDT and Cogent, IQST shares would be worth $22 per share. Litchfield also stating here that IQST has seen some volatility since listing on NASDAQ, briefly trading above $18, but have now settled in, making this a good entry point. Now, the stock price at the time of this report was $9.88, meaning that at today's price, it's a much better entry. But what do you think? Drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts on IQSTEL stock. Remember that I'm not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice, so always do your own due diligence. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next